It's the last week in Brussels before the recess until we come back at the end of August. So all of the committees are meeting now trying to finish up the business. We, in the Environment Committee, we've got a very busy week with major votes on the Tobacco Directive, on the impact of projects on the environment, very important issues for us in Wales. And here in this very busy week is Elin Arfon from Llanrwst, who's come for an experience, a week's experience of working in the office and experience in the Parliament itself. So how have you found it? What have you seen?
Oh, it's been an amazing experience. I've been able to sit on committees. I've saw the Foreign Affairs yesterday and the Environment today, and it's brilliant just to see all the different languages, the 23 official languages being used here. Everyone's able to use their preferred language, and there's so many languages basically. It's fantastic.
I know languages is a particular interest of yours, and we've been fighting hard to get Welsh as an official language, and hopefully one day we'll do that. But what are your plans in terms of career? Is it languages?
Hopefully, I'm studying languages now at sixth form, and hopefully in the future, well, this experience will be great for me to go on to hopefully study languages in higher education. And I think something like this maybe someday, because it's such a great place. Yeah.
It is a great place to work, and we need more people from Wales here, of course, doing more. We've seen some people from Wales here this week, as well as yourself, of course.
Yes, the Tidal Lagoon in Swansea Bay. That was a great meeting to be a part of, and hopefully maybe something will come of that. Yeah. But it was nice to see that people from Wales are coming over here as well, and seeing that all the work that people are doing for Wales, basically, and the UK and everywhere in Europe was a part of this. It's good, yeah.
You seem really inspired by this, and I still am, working here. I'm still inspired by it. So thank you so much for coming, and I hope you come back in the future.